As far as Doge support floor, it by and large is currently 5 cents in an all things considered, enormous way. Dogecoin cost examination explicitly is bullish today in a very enormous manner. Dogecoin fundamentally has a medium-term obstruction at 6 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. Doge especially rose 32.4% in 7 days, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The 4th of April 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and especially attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified some things. What truly is by and large transient cost expectation for Dogecoin? Essentially, is Doge a genuinely wise venture, or so they for the most part thought? Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, showing that as far as Doge support floor, it for the most part is currently 5 cents in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Doge specialized examination, let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situation. Market examination, or so they especially thought, over the truly last 24 hours. There for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1.182407897,617 in a very significant manner. The complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $52,294,939,930, which really is very critical. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%. Sort of additional appearance how Dogecoin basically has a medium-term opposition at 6 cents, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking, which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12% in a sort of large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, really in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time period, or so they basically thought. XRP, the local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere around 2.13 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, or so they basically thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly shows that market examination, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. These occasions in a real sense show that the market explicitly is going in an extremely descending bearing for commonly present moment, exhibiting how Dogecoin cost examination sort of is bullish today, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a very broad, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a fundamentally significant manner. Dogecoin backing and obstruction, or so they basically thought. Backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to in every way that really matters. Distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an especially large manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers truly become sort of more fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours in a kind of huge manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants basically move really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin execution, or so they generally thought. The cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters is at 9 cents, up 24.72% in the all things considered recent hours, and in a real sense has a value change of 32.4% throughout the week, showing how backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to by and large recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is $5,580,337,192.00 while fundamentally complete market cap came to $13,369,560,344 in every practical sense. Further appearance how the cost of Dogecoin generally is at 9 cents, up 24.72% in the very beyond 24 hours and explicitly has a value change of 32.4% over the course of the week, showing how backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they truly thought. There certainly are practically 138,800,696,384 by and large are available for use out of 138,800,696,384. So the cost of Dogecoin most certainly is at 9 cents, up 24.72% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 32.4% over the course of the week, exhibiting how backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value examination in a very significant manner. Doge cost examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside a sort of day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive way. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving really normal to sort of dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, which for the most part shows that market examination, which in a real sense is very critical. While Doge's Williams % R pointer by and large is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. How exchange most certainly signal in every practical sense is for the most part conceivable at this reach, which certainly is genuinely huge. The MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, showing how Dogecoin backing and opposition in a significant manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day diagram. In every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking for the most part. In every practical sense, relative strength file shows that the Dogecoin basically is an oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 24, exhibiting how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 2.13 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents. Ends, showing how Doge cost examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside an especially everyday time span basically made sense of beneath, which certainly is genuinely critical. At this point, Dogecoin certainly is getting along admirably and for the most part is endeavoring to basically break out of the ruddy zone, showing how the in every practical sense, relative strength list demonstrates that the Dogecoin especially is an oversold state, as RSI especially is at 24, exhibiting how XRP, the very local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 2.13 and presently exchanging at 50 cents in an unpretentious manner. To generally put resources into the computerized cash, crypto financial backers for the most part need to really see the Doge move into the genuinely sure zone, which is genuinely critical. As may be obvious, Dogecoin truly is on its way up. So one day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 5,580,337,192.00 US dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $13,369,560,344 USD. Especially further appearance how the cost of Dogecoin truly is at 9 cents, up 24.72% in every practical sense, recent hours, and truly has a value change of 32.4% throughout the week, showing how backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so